Hello everyone, Jack here again, and today I'm going to show you something that I made. It's this. What is it? It's basically a small amplifier. It's a 15 watt Class D amplifier that runs on 12 volts. So I'm going to show you how it works. It looks pretty complicated, I'll give you that, but it's actually quite simple. You see, here are the two battery terminals. We plug in the batteries to power it. Here is the headphone connector. Here is an on-off switch. It's only got an on-off switch, no buttons. Here is an LED light to indicate that it's on. Here's the amplifier itself. Here's a 12 volt regulator, and here are the block terminal connector things. So I can connect this into it to connect these speakers to it. that was a handful of words that I said. Anyway, I power it using these 9 volt batteries. You guys probably don't know what a 12 volt regulator is. Well, basically, this amplifier board runs off of 12 volts. And these are only 9 volt batteries. So I use two of them, and that would make 18 volts. So, 18 volts is a bit too much for this amplifier. So, this regulator basically regulates it down to 12 volts. Anyway, I'm going to plug in and show out. Gonna turn it on. Alright, it's on. Now I'm going to turn on my PSP to demonstrate. It actually sounds pretty good. I mean, it only runs on two 9 volt batteries, and it's powerful enough to power this stereo amp. Sounds pretty good, actually. This is I'm on the PSP menu. This is God of War, Ghost of Sparta. Actually, no, I'm gonna try and find Metal Slug 2. So it can actually get pretty loud. It sounds pretty good, actually. It's very high quality. And it was pretty cheap to make as well. The board itself costed, well, the amplifier circuit itself actually costed actually, I'm gonna turn it down. It sounds pretty good, actually, in person. The amplifier board cost about, alright, I'm gonna turn it off now. It cost about £3, and yeah, that's all. It just works pretty good. Now, the reason why I use two 2. The reason why I use two 9 volt batteries instead of a traditional 12 volt power supply is because I want it to be portable, and this kind of thing is great for the apocalypse. Like let's say there's a zombie apocalypse. Okay, maybe a zombie apocalypse is not a good example because you're playing this really loud and the zombies are just going to hear you. No, let's say you're in the countryside and you're struggling with power, but you've got a bunch of these 9 volt batteries and you've got these big speakers. This is a great solution to that problem. And it sounds pretty good as well. You can't adjust the volume on this. Like I said, it's only got a switch. Wait, did I say that? I don't think I did. Yeah, it's only got a switch, no buttons. So the only way to control the volume is from the device itself. So, yeah. Another thing, you don't want to turn it up too loud, otherwise it'll cut out and then go back up and then eventually cut out again until you turn it down, and then it'll just go back to normal. So, yeah, it does have like a cutout feature, because this is actually a pretty advanced board. So yeah, it's just it looks complex, but it's actually quite simple to make. It just takes a lot of time. And yeah, that's my 12 volt Class D amplifier. It's small. It takes small two 9-volt batteries, and it's very good at playing music through these loudspeakers. Anyway, if you like this video, leave a thumbs up. And if you're an electronics engineering hobbyist and you've got any suggestions for making this better, or what I should have done and what I should have done, let me know in the comments, and I will see you guys later.